And do?
You do document. You are a vet. You low-key would be good at that shit, bro. Oh, you know what you should be? A private investigator. All they do is take pictures and record shit and spy on people. You'd be so good at that job.
I believe it.
Yep. I'd hire you if I had an agency. The hat's still on my head? Because I got these dry ass dreadlocks. I need to hydrate my hair. My dreadlocks be gripping shit. Oh, these are for you. Remember, you gotta take those home.
I am.
My mama be trifling because she really be like, I need some extra salt.
Damn.
Oh, in the arms of the
welcome.
Rest in peace, Midi's dress. Gone but never forgotten.
No, that shit's boring.
I'm sorry. I saw it happen in live effect. Like, y'all didn't see, but we just witnessed a massacre.
Yeah.
It was actually very sad. Like, we gotta get home and fix that. It was a nice dress.
You need those stain removers, bro.
Remember I said I still wanted to get shoes? So now we gotta get stain remover. We gotta get shoes.
You get stain remover from like Walmart.
I don't know. I'm just talking about like errands.
Oh.
We could change though. I mean,
They're outside.
alright. Just keep the momentum up. Cause yeah, when you get back in the house,
I don't want to do it.
and it's early. We'll be done with those errands by like 1. We just gotta finish the food. Okay. I'm gonna pack. These are salty. Do you pack the fries in the animal fry bag? I'm gonna see. Oh, there's no trash can. This is the trash bag.
Oh, we got animal fries, which is onions and some cheese. Very good.
And spread.
And some spread. And add the rest of these.